right, hey y'all, this is not going to be too formal because look, I'm in a rush. Yo, girl is in a rush. Now, I'm going to church today and then I am going to hang out with my friend. So I thought I'd just get on here, kind of do a quick watch me do my makeup type of situation. I'm not going to be doing anything too extravagant. This is my first time hanging out with her, so I'm not gonna be like all up in her face with the camera like that. I'm just not. This is going to be a quick, just something random, get ready with me. So just kick back, get you a snack and enjoy. And I'm going to stop talking at this point. of church. I am back. Yes, I have on my glasses. I have not ordered any new contacts, and I cannot drive without my glasses. I will get pulled over, arrested, all of the above. And y'all gonna have to start a GoFundMe. So, it's in everybody's best interest that I just wear my glasses while I'm driving, okay? I'm eating Cheetos. I need to do better about eating before I go to church because I am starving. But me and my friend decided to meet at this time, so I didn't want to get here too late. It's thrift store. It's a little questionable. We are in the hood. We're probably going to find some really good stuff in there. I'm not counting it out. But there is an Elotes place and a furniture shop and a tire shop attached to this establishment. Anything that has food or something else attached, it can go one of two ways. Real good or real ratchet. I love thrifting. I'm excited. I'm excited to hang out with her. Like I said, I'm not going to be all camera up in her face because this is our first time hanging out physically. So, I don't want to be weird. I'm not an Elotes girl myself. I don't care for it. I think it's the mayo. If they could throw like sour cream in there instead, that'd be delightful. But I hate mayonnaise. I can't get past the mayonnaise. So people rave about Elotes all day long. You should eat it. You should try it. What you mean? Ew. Nothing appetizing to me about mayo and corn and a variation of spices and a cup. To each its own. But I can't get past it. Also, while I'm in this car, let me tell y'all how church wrecked my life today. So I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been to church in a couple weeks because your girl's been going through some things, okay? And I know that's the time for you to pour into church and go back and stay grounded, but I tend to do the opposite and I retreat. So I haven't been in a couple weeks. I've been bedside Baptist. I think I'm a part of Transformation Nation sometimes, so I just be watching Michael Todd and minding my business. However, I decided to go today, get dressed, look cute, just get my spirit together. And the lady that was there wrecked my life, okay? She is not the head pastor. She was filling in because he's on rest, sabbatical, whatever. Ooh, see, I can't even eat. I'm shaking. She was phenomenal. She did a whole sermon about Lazarus, how God will raise things from the dead, and in order to experience resurrection, you need to have some form of a death. Like, I can't even go that far into depth because she just went so deep. And, you know, sometimes you roll up to church and it feels like, this was good. It was hype or whatever. The worship was good, but the word really wasn't for you. Baby. That word hit me on the forehead the whole time. Because it was that word was for me. I'm probably about to go in, and if this all goes well, I'll be doing a haul. But if not, I don't know. So, I'll keep y'all updated. I'm going to finish my Cheetos. And yeah, we will talk later.
What is it?
Yes, YouTuber, yes.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey, girl. Look at this outfit, though.
Thrift.
Yes.
Thrift. This,
Why?
nothing on thrift store.
The thrift store.
The thrift, okay? This one? Yeah.
All right, y'all. It's been a long day. I just left 0 degrees. I got the strawberry shortcake or the strawberry cheesecake. I normally get the mango nata, but I tried to switch it up. It's all right, but it's not the mango nata. And I also got some popcorn chicken. I have some veggies and some potatoes I made at the house last night, so I need to eat those. But I just needed some chicken or some shrimp or something, so I just stopped and got that. They have really good chicken. If you've never had food from 0 Degrees, the fries, the chicken, look, it's up there. It is the standard. The bar is high. Okay, it's delightful in there. I only got 2 things at the thrift store. It was not hitting today. It just was not hitting. We had a blast, but the stores. So I got this tan brown sweater with like a pop of blue, and then I got this black kind of bomber jacket. And that's really it, y'all. Like I said, it wasn't hot. It wasn't popping today at the thrift store. So you win some, you lose some, okay? But as long as you get food, you maybe found a couple cute pieces to add to your collection, I say you won, all right? I'm probably about to head home, lay up, watch Netflix, just relax, chill out. I'm tired. And I normally rest on Sundays, but I'm glad I got to see my friend. She's so sweet. We had a great time. Definitely will be going out with her in the future, because we vibe really well. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'm going to try to start doing more vloggy stuff. But to be honest, I'm real boring. So I don't even know what I would vlog. But I'm going to try to start getting more into it. So make sure you subscribe, become a part of the Trice tribe. It's a good time over here as always. And if you don't know that, you're missing out. So go ahead and hit the button, sis. We'll wait on you. Really, really appreciate you guys if you are returning or if you are new and just seeing what we got going on over here. And I will see you in the next video.